Hey you guys, it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video on my quest to be a Snapchat filter, I found the magical product. I am so excited. Oh, I am so excited. Sorry, no, y'all seen that Cartier. Look at that neck, girl. So upon further investigation and clicking the link, I found the product. On the website, it's actually called the Hyaluronic Acid Face Essence. Give your mother a chance to be younger. And since I'm a mom and I need to look as young as possible, like a Snapchat filter, I went ahead and bought it. What they said on the website is totally different than what I got. I just want to say that for the record. It is actually the Vibrant Glamour Moisturizing Hyaluronic Acid Essence. So we will be trying this magical product today to see if I'm gonna look like a Snapchat filter. I am so excited. I cannot believe we found the product, you guys. Wait a minute. Why is half the jar already used? What is going on? This was brand new. I kid you, why is half the jar? Look at this. I took out the tab and look it. This is not a half an ounce. They didn't even fill it all the way up. It doesn't even go all the way up. What in the ghetto is going on? I cannot. This is not a half an ounce. Oh my God. Ghetto. So we're going to get the wrinkles first. Wrinkle. There we go. You know what? I'm going to just get my whole face at this point because I'm going to look like that Snapchat filter. Oh my God, this smells horrible. Oh my God, this stuff smells like burnt tire. Oh my God, this stuff smells. Oh my God, this stuff smells atrocious. What is it? What type of hyaluronic acid is this? Oh my God. I hope this is hyaluronic acid. Oh my God, I'm scared. Okay, you guys, so it says massage into skin until it's evenly rubbed in. Can you guys see? Does my skin look like good? I mean, but the wrinkles is still there. Let me put a little bit more on that forehead wrinkle. I know someone is saying, well, your forehead is wrinkled up, but some people don't have a wrinkled forehead. Why isn't it disappearing? Oh my God. Hold up. No, I did not just pay $20 for some hyaluronic acid serum. Oh my God. Please, Lord, don't tell me I got duped. Y'all see a wrinkle? Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna be positive about this situation. Now, in the video, they had SK2 with them. So maybe they kind of like mix the SK2 with the hyaluronic acid serum to get it to work. I'm not saying you need expensive skincare, but I couldn't understand why the SK2 was near it. And I have some SK2 here. I actually bought another bottle and it's almost done. So we are going to like apply the SK2 with the stuff to see if it works. I kind of find it ironic that this is made in China and the SK2 is made in Japan. So we're gonna like apply the SK2 all over my face with this hyaluronic acid serum. This is their clear treatment lotion. I know someone is going to say you need to layer yours, but some people think you should mix skincare, okay? So it's up to you, but we are going to see is this SK2 going to work. So I'm going to mix just to make sure. I'm going to add some hyaluronic essence and the SK2 lotion and rub it in, and then we're going to see. So here we go. Let's see that forehead line again. It's still there. Wait, do y'all think it decreased a little bit? Oh, let me see. I'm not seeing any. It's not making me look younger. Oh my God. Let me do a close up. Y'all see? I don't feel younger at all. I am mad. So I turned the light down. What do you guys think of my skin? I will say this. When mixing it with the SK2, it's like bomb. So I think the SK2 did all the work. And you know, SK2 is like $100 for this little bottle. So it's very expensive product. So I mean, it carried El Cheapo. So it carried the El Cheapo hyaluronic acid. I I decided to go ahead and get the Ordinary out because the Ordinary is like $5 and it's a hyaluronic acid. And this is almost like $20, $30 depending on where you go. So I'm about to swatch both products so we could see which one looks better because I'm looking. This is the Ordinary. As you can see, this is the Ordinary tube. And here is a Vibrant Glamour. This is Ordinary. This is Vibrant Glamour. What do you guys think? Ordinary, Vibrant Glamour. I got some thoughts. Now, y'all know I've dragged the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Serum on this channel a gazillion times. Keyless one is better. We've had that conversation a long time ago. So for me to say this is really shocking. It's 10 times better than the Vibrant Glamour Hyaluronic Acid Essence Serum that is on my face. The Ordinary is way more moisturizing. This feels like it's water. Like seriously, I am shocked, and I literally have dragged the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Essence, and anytime I pick that El Cheapo serum over Vibrant Glamour that I pay almost $30 for, I am highly upset. How dare you, Vibrant Glamour, lie to me and make me pay almost $30 for a hyaluronic acid that's botched the house. Not only is it botched the house, you lied to me, making me believe I was gonna look like a Snapchat filter, and here I am, still looking like Shandera. I'm mad. I want to look like a Snapchat filter. I was ready to get one of these rich YouTubers. I'm just joking. I'm just playing. You know what? I really have nothing else to say, but SK2 did carry this product, and sometimes expensive skincare is way better than cheap skincare, and I don't care what y'all say, even if it come from America, sometimes the good stuff is better than the El Cheapo from America and China. And wait, is the Ordinary from America? I don't know. I don't think it is, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Sarah V. With that being said, you guys, let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Have you guys tried this hyaluronic acid serum? Did you buy it? Oh my god, I feel sorry for all the people who got duped like me. Please, before you buy it, watch this video, watch a review. Please don't. They lying to us. I'm just so upset. Anyways, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.